Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 911 GT3 Cup 992 and this is a bit hard to find. I really don't know why, maybe because of the livery they paint job on the livery they put out on this particular casting. Even that I think 2023 version I missed out. So this is the only one I was able to get, and luckily this was only one in that. I think I bought it in Hamleys. I'm not seeing any stamp here, but I think I bought this in Hamleys. So I bought it for MRP only, which is $5.99. So rest of the castings you can see here. So I purposely missed these things out because I already have all these castings. So I hope you guys remember I unboxed this blue one. I still have the white one which is not yet unboxed. I unboxed this 911 Carrera as well. I unboxed this 935 K3. I think I bought this. I think I bought this in India only. Yeah, I bought this in India. The Taycan Turbo S, I do have that in white color. I unboxed that. So I do have the entirety of Porsche lineup. So only thing I missed out was this particular version. So I bought this one now. So let me build it. Okay, so here it is. Let me open it and we will talk more about the casting. Okay, so here is the card art. Okay, I damaged the card art. Okay, so it has the Porsche hologram as well. It's original, you can see, and the card art looks really beautiful. Again, Majorette is really nailing on this part. Let me throw rest of the things away. So here is the box art. So this box art actually looks a bit different with this detailing here. It does look really nice, but rest of the things looks really similar. It doesn't have any difference there. I do like this particular image they put out. So there is nothing inside the box. I don't want to waste any time there. Let's get to the casting now. So out of the box, this looks really beautiful. Okay, so this is exactly like that green carrot which we unboxed yesterday. So the only difference being this is just silver chrome. That is one of the green version. That is the only difference. So apart from that, I mean, this is a bit heavy. It has rear view mirror here. That looks really great, and it has acrylic headlights. So you can see my fingerprint here. That is, yeah, that is attracting really well. So the Porsche logo is there. That looks really neat. It is not like messed up by any means, and it has tail light detailing as well. That looks really great. You can see the Porsche GT3 Cup lettering here. That is really neat. I was not expecting that, and the detailing on this one looks really beautiful, and the pinstriping here looks really great. And it has full metal body, plastic spoiler and plastic chassis, rubber tires, and the rims are actually same, like they are same, but the only difference being they painted it red and black. So that actually matches this casting really beautiful. And it has opening part here. Okay, this is a little bit hard to open, but the interior is unique to this particular casting. I'm really happy about that, because you can see that see the steering wheel here. That is a bit different, and this is actually specific to this particular casting. That looks really neat. So let's close this. So it has wiper detailing here. That looks really nice. And let's see if there's a suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. It is a bit tight compared to others, but it does have. Let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 32 grams, not bad. I'm hoping this also rolls really good. Yeah, that does roll really good. Again, I was not expecting any of the Majorette to roll at all, but they are actually outperforming at this point. Okay, let's rate this casting. So again, without any hesitation, it's a 10/10 casting. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Looks really neat. Just have some tissue paper or something, or like a microfiber cloth. Just wipe it out after you open, and just touch it or do a review like I am doing now, and it is good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.